Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to message fans on OnlyFans. Just tap on my browser and log into my account simply, and I will just tap on this profile. You will see which is front of me. So just tap on it, and if you want to message someone, the first step is to subscription this. So just tap on this blue subscription. So after subscription, you will be able to send a direct message, and you will also see the post. You will see after subscription, you will be full access to this user content direct message, and you can also cancel your subscription at any time. So if you want to subscribe, so please add a payment card. So just tap on this add a payment card, and here you will just add your Visa or MasterCard to subscribe. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.